Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna share with you my top 3 goals for this month. So let's start right away with my first goal for this month. The first goal is to get to 100 subscribers on YouTube. This isn't gonna be an easy thing to do, especially because it's been less than a month since I first started this channel. So my strategy is gonna consist in attracting people on 2 different platforms at the same time, which are Instagram and YouTube. Let's start with the Instagram strategy. So on Instagram, I'm still at 0 followers, but I'm sure that I can grow exponentially if I stay consistent and I continue to post every day. The plan is to post at least a reel a day, and I'm gonna start from this week to post some normal posts each week where I promote my YouTube videos and where I share my failures and successes and goals. Hopefully I'm also gonna post some stories some days, and that is also gonna make my account grow and reach new people. People can find out about my YouTube channel directly from the Instagram account, so growing on Instagram will also affect my YouTube growth. So let's go now to the strategy for this YouTube channel. As I said in the weekly reports, my current strategy is to post 3 YouTube videos a week and 1 YouTube short a day. If I follow this strategy exactly and I don't miss any day, I will get to the end of the month having 40 new videos on this channel. And just by getting 2 new followers for each new video, I'm gonna reach my goal of hitting 100 subscribers. Now that I've talked about my first goal, let's go to the second one. The second goal is a fitness one. So this goal consists in benching 70 kilos on the bench press. I've just reached 60 kilos like 2 weeks ago, and my plan is to get to 70 kilos by the end of the month. So my strategy for doing that is just following my current gym routine, which consists in going to the gym at least 5 times a day. So it's been a few months that I've committed to going to the gym each morning, and I do 1 muscle group a day. So I do chest on Tuesdays, and so there's I think 3 or 4 more sessions left to get to 70 kilos. But I think that if I stay consistent and I don't miss a single chest training day, this goal of 70 kilos is not gonna be hard to reach. This month my goal won't be particularly challenging for 2 main reasons. So the first reason is basically the fact that this month is the first month that I'm working seriously toward my goal of hitting $1 million. So for this reason, I'm more focused on accountability and completing all the tasks rather than pushing myself too hard to get a certain result. And the second reason is that this month is my final month of high school, so I have my final exam that is gonna be hard, and it's gonna take a very important amount of effort and time, because the final exam is composed of 3 written tests and an oral, which is gonna take a very huge preparation because it covers basically all the topics that I've studied throughout the whole year, and so that's gonna take away a lot of my time and focus. Let's go now to the third goal. The third goal is scoring 90 points or more on the final exam. So the maximum amount of points that I can get out of the final exam is 100, but 40% of the scores is based on grades from the last 3 years. So I already know that I've lost 5 points, and the maximum score that I can get is 95. And my goal is to get to at least 90, because I don't want to focus 100% of this, because I have also other important goals like going to the gym, learning programming, and managing this channel. But I still care about getting a very good score, simply for the fact that I've worked so much for these 5 years and I don't want to throw it all away at the last moment. So the strategy that I'm gonna follow for this goal is basically to study every day at least 1 or 2 hours, every topic in detail, and make a map with all the paths that I might follow during the oral exam to do my oral presentation. And I also really want to focus on doing some simulations of my oral exam, so that when I'm there I'm ready and I'm able to perform at 100% of my capabilities without any stress or anxiety. So ideally I would like to do at least 2 simulations per week. So I should be doing the oral exam after the 25th of June, and by that day I should have done about 5 simulations, and I think that's enough to do my best on the actual exam. So these were my top 3 goals. I'll update you at the end of the month with another video where I analyze my progress and I'll share my new 3 goals for the month of July. So if you like this project, please subscribe to the channel to never miss an episode. Leave a like, comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.